My sister-in-law introduced Dr. Brown's product to me. The Nightingale was on my list when I wanted to give birth. I use it at the immunization center when weighing the baby. I also use the Nightingale when I want to change him or dress him up. Dr. Brown's baby wipes is nice on babies. It doesn't give them irritation and it smells very nice. I love Dr. Brown's baby diapers because it keeps my baby fresh and my baby is always comfortable with it. I don't have any reason to change my brand.